We're leaving the town of Gitagum in Misamis Oriental. So we just had an ocular site inspection here on the beachfront area in Barangay Matangad. Matangad, maganda yung property. Medyo for the requirement for a telco requirement, because yung cables can immediately go down sa area. Okay, so Gitagum is a town here in Misamis Oriental, adjacent to Laguindingan, because Laguindingan is also in Misamis Oriental. That is where the international airport of Cagayan is located. So malayo, medyo relatively malayo. You will be asking why, bakit yung airport masyadong malayo from CDO, because if you take a Grab, almost 800 pesos yung babayaran mo. It will take you more than sometimes 45 minutes. Kung mabilis 30 minutes, mabilis na masyado yan. We're renting a Toyota Wigo. Tipid na tipid masyado, and the mileage is only 7,700. Yan. Kanina pa tong na full tank ko, hindi pa bumaba, sobra ata yung gasolina ko. So this is yung nature ng property, inspection, site analysis, because you anticipate the client requirements. The client requirement here is 5,000 to 10,000 square meter na industrial property facing the coast of northern Mindanao, preferably near Cagayan de Oro. So why Cagayan de Oro? Because Cagayan de Oro is the busiest or most economically advanced city in Mindanao, in northern Mindanao. Kasi kung southern naman, you have Davao, and in the southeastern is you have yung General Santos City. So we're driving in the town of Gitagum, going to the town of Laguindingan, where Cagayan de Oro International Airport is located. So the highways here, the road networks are fairly good, very good siguro, but not excellent, but okay na siya, 4 lanes. This highway connects the two cities of Cagayan de Oro and Iligan. Okay.